Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is tangy tomato chutney. It goes perfectly with any curry or any other snack. Not just that, you can just simply enjoy it with a plain paratha or chapati. It tastes really amazing, and due to the ingredients and the method that we are going to use, you can preserve it in airtight container in the fridge. So let's get started with today's recipe. To make tomato chutney, first of all I'm going to boil 2 kg tomato in a pot using small amount of water in it. Cover the pot and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium to high heat or until tomatoes get cracks and it's really easy to peel their skin. We don't need to boil them too much, just enough to take their skin off as they go a little bit soft. I'm cooking them on high heat for about 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, as you can see, the cracked skin and tomatoes are now a little bit soft. It's easy to take their skin off as well. So turn the gas off. As soon as you turn the gas off, drain the water and let them cool down. Once they are cooled down, we need to take their skin off. Skin is quite soft and really easy to peel. So peel all the tomatoes and that's my job done. Now I'm going to transfer all these tomatoes in a pan and going to cook them on medium to high heat. Tomatoes are going to get cooked in their own juice as they're going to release a lot of it. Start pressing them and breaking them down. As my tomatoes are still a little bit hot, so I'm going to put the lid back on and they're going to get cooked in their own juice with the heat and steam. I've cooked them for about 6 to 7 minutes and now I can easily mash them up. So once they are soft and easy to mash, using a masher, mash them well. As you can see that I've got nice puree ready and I'm going to cook it on high heat by keep stirring it. It takes about 20 minutes for water to evaporate and I'm going to use the magic of editing to get it done really quick. As you can notice that quantity has reduced a lot and I'm left with very fine tomato paste. So now it's time to get its tadka done. And for tadka, I'm using a quarter cup of oil in a pan. And once it's warmed up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Going to cook it on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Once it's cooked for 2 minutes, then add ginger paste and mix them well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Mix them well. I'm going to add half teaspoon of hing as well. The hing is completely optional, you can skip it. Cook all the ingredients until they turn light golden brown. And once they change the color, then add 1.5 tablespoons of roughly crushed black pepper. Ginger and garlic paste are now cooked and turned light golden brown. Turn the heat to the low flame and add 1 teaspoon of degi mirch as it gives really nice color. To make it a little bit spicy, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients and keep the heat on low flame and start adding tomato paste immediately as we don't want to get our chilies burned. Now just mix all the ingredients and we need to cook it until this mixture starts leaving the oil. You can now cook it on medium to high heat. If you're making this chutney in extra quantity and if you want to preserve it for long, then make sure to add more oil in it. As you must have noticed in the pickles or chutneys that we buy from the market, they always have got extra quantity of oil in it as it works as preservative. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your own taste. Salt not just enhances the flavor of other ingredients, but it also works as good preservative. Mix it well and keep cooking. As you can see that the mixture has left the oil. The next ingredient is really important. which is vinegar. So I'm going to use a quarter cup of malt vinegar. Mix all the ingredients really well. It's gonna give chutney quite nice and tangy flavor. It also helps to preserve chutney so we can save it for longer. Just cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and chutney is ready. It has got beautiful color, amazing taste, and due to tomato, ginger, garlic and black pepper, it's quite healthy as well. And the plus point is you can preserve it for up to 5 to 6 weeks in airtight container in the fridge. So it's a must try recipe, and don't forget to leave your comments if you enjoyed the tomato chutney and what do you enjoy it with the most. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch next video or playlist from the screen and subscribe us using the icon on the screen, or use the link from the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.